How to fix Instagram invalid parameters error. Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Welcome to the channel. If you are struggling with the invalid parameters error on your Instagram app, this can be very frustrating, but don't fear. We are here to sort you out. So follow these instructions. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to jump out of this app and we're going to go into our phone settings. Now, once in our phone settings, we're going to navigate down and look for apps, right? So once you've gotten apps, of course, every operating system, every device is going to be slightly different. You're going to locate apps and you're either going to look for your Instagram in this list of apps over here, or alternatively, you're going to go up to the top of the screen. You are going to go into your search bar and you're going to go into Instagram, and you can see right over here, it is here. So once you're actually inside your app, there are a few things you can go ahead and do. You're going to go and scroll down and you're going to look for storage. Now, under storage, there are two things that you can do. You can change the storage space. So currently it says storage used and it says internal shared storage, and that basically means that it's being stored on my phone storage. You can go ahead and tap on change and you can actually have it stored on your SD card if you do have an SD card available on your device. The second thing you want to go ahead and do, on the bottom of the page there is a clear cache and you want to clear that. The third thing you want to do is go ahead and clear data if the clear cache does not work. Once you're done here, you're going to go back just one to the previous menu and you're going to look for the option that says set as default. And now these are your app defaults. Now you're going to open up that set as default, and it might again look different on different devices, different operating systems, but you are looking for the supported web addresses. So you're going to have a look. It either say verified web addresses or verified links, and you're going to have a look for this over here, and just you're going to make sure that all of this looks like this. These two at the bottom over here that are not on, you're going to make sure that they are on if you are having the invalid parameters error. Now, as a last resort, you can go ahead and you can actually uninstall Instagram and you can reinstall Instagram. And if then that doesn't work, you are going to have to contact your support team on Instagram. You can go ahead and just Google Instagram support team and you can actually log a ticket, and they'll be able to help you thereafter. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section below. We'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.